I just couldn't get enough speed.
No, she's getting bad.
What's come over? Carrying another bike in his fucking
wheelie
axles.
section. It just bounces and throws you right up. Like, that is insanity. It's like riding on clouds, guys, and it just keeps popping you back up. It's the most amazing thing to ride on, eh? If you haven't experienced this, you haven't seen it all. Wow. Here comes the rain, yeah? Well, where the hell did it work? Over there, eh? Yeah, I guess. Probably the coolest thing we've done yet with this Rennie. I mean, truly intense this stuff is. boys. Much of a problem. Then the inner goes to it.
Fucking lift off!
Yeah, brother.
Fucking lift off. I thought it was worse than that. Jesus.
That's great.
Holy fuck, man. I felt like I was lifted off the air, man.
How are we here? Still got a little battery.
Yeah, it's about.
Screen's not bad. Let Tommy hit it. That side's not bad. Right there, that's it.
Right out, Tommy!
Yeah. Have no problem there with silk packs.
Sorry, Tommy. Kind of blocked your way there.
Typical Polaris guy, gotta go through something 10 times faster than you have to.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah.
Hey, boys! Here, God.
Fuck yeah, they're straight up there.
Oh, that's great.
I was going to tell you, back in the cranberry bush, your fucking axles is carrying a whole nother bike back there.
Wow. Not that bad. There's a little bit there that concerns me. Let's keep that off the boots. It's a pain, you know. I mean, it's easy to do, but it's time consuming. And if you don't want to change your axle boots, pull your axles just to change your boots. It's kind of a pain in the ass. So it's nice to keep your eye on them, boys. It's like so, a little of that, a little of this. It's the right places. The rest can hit the. We're gonna run down and hit the pits, I think. Give these things a washing. Actually, we'll probably let you go. We're doing a little hike out of the bush here, and yeah, we'll get back.
Almost out of fuel, boys. So I don't know if I want to. No, she's sitting on an angle. Got lots on that angle. Just keep driving out on two wheels, I guess. What's that? Oh, we could. Yeah, we better just go a little bit. Just get it so we can get up here. She's running at 171 degrees, just getting warmed up. Crawl out of here nice and slow, because this is where shit always happens. Oh, you gotta crawl. Oh boy. Crawling's what I like to do. And they can make fun of me for it. But you got confidence in your bike sometimes. And you're out for a good time, crawling sometimes where it's exactly where it's at. It's not a lot of stuff you can make her through and wheel spin. Sometimes it looks glorious, but kind of sink here and there though, but if you don't spin them too bad, they generally will pretty much draw you through most shit. That's why you think about when you build a fucking bike, boys. Build her how you're gonna ride it. Today, I let it go a couple times. Shit happens. Like my wife said, my Grizzly was busted for about 6 fucking years. That's because every day I rode it till I fucking broke the cocksucker. Then I parked her till I'd fix it. Rinse and repeat. It was good to me. I liked it. Bit of a rocky trail this one, but I know there's trail through here. Oh, not much steering radius. I know there's trail here to go up and around to Candy Mountain somewhere. I've never been on it. I heard she's tight. Nothing wrong with tight. It was a good day. A little bit of smack talk against Polaris and Can-Am, and you know. That's good fun. They all got their strong suits. It's kind of what style you like. And there's a lot that they do both equally. So, oh, big rock. Lift. Woo. If you want a wheelie, these will do it. Them Can-Ams do have a light on it. They will let her go at ease. These will, you just gotta really put her down, which, you know, you can do, but that's the kind of mood you're in. But that front end's a little heavier, and when you put it down, sometimes you can run into some shit shows real quick. Look good doing it, but it's Sunday, no shit show here. Saying all this stuff, my little brother probably won't use it because I'm pretty sure he likes the sound of his own voice. Although he might be getting fucking sick of his own fucking voice these days. Editing them videos night after night, fucking no sleep. I don't know. I like talking, but I don't like listening to myself. That's a nice little trail. Give a little bit of commentary just in case he does want to use it. Maybe he don't. This little 570, everything's all in the rear end on this little thing. He's got bald tires. He's got good tires for him, but he's rolled her a few times, so she's been on a hiatus for a year or two. But it don't have to push anything on the front end, so for just running through the stuff for a good affordable price, like, they're good too. They might not look as flashy, but you know, as you've seen today, oh, you gotta get off a push here and there, but if you had some different tires, which he's got back at his trailer, he's got to get them mounted up. I think it'll do just fine. It seemed to do just fine today. You don't need craziness to have fun. Sometimes it's just going along for the adventure. You put me on a 50cc little unit, man, I'm gonna have fun all day. I'm assuming if you're watching this shit, you would too. It's all about the pocketbook. I don't have the pocketbook for the bike I'm riding. But every once in a while you go through a midlife crisis and you say, fuck it. You know? You can say it's hard to spend money. Well, fuck, it didn't take me long with that pencil or a pen. Fuck, one phone call, one signature. Shit, yeah, brap. Yeah. This young lad here took us out today. Known him for a while. Had a house ringside behind. Got a couple skidders. Now he's back in here on a plot of his own land here. And looks like he's having fun with it. He's got her marked out and logged out. I'd like to get that skidder on some video, boys. I'd like to watch that over again. Them things are wild. Give her a back. Talk about the Can-Ams having some hot exhaust. Well, these popos do too, even when you tune them. They ain't no joke either with the old hot exhaust. They told me at the dealer, they corked up, let her open up, get rid of the heat, and they were not wrong. You couldn't stand 3 feet from the back of this bike until gave her more fuel and opened the exhaust. Now she just flows out. Hey Phil, the heat when they're stock, now they're uncorked, it just gets rid of all the heat, but this pipe's still hot, but yeah. Yeah, I'm 182. Yeah, 181. Right on. Yeah, run good. Alright, 2-wheel drive. Hi.
85 minutes worth of commentary just in case you're not like the sound of your own voice these days.
Oh, yeah. Smart ass.
There's the skidder. One of these days he's gonna have to take some video of that. He's got a dirty set of chains for that sucker. A dirty set of chains. Hey! Perfect dust for the skidder! Like I said, perfect dust for the skidder. That'd be a nice shot.
That's a good shot with the skidder in it, though. Yeah, no shit. That looks bad.